To just understand why it is very making simple and fast, I will show you some extend command here. If it is true and next one true, show OK. Here else if. Again, I have to write the commands here. Checkbox 1, it is true. Sorry then. And we have else if. Checkbox 2, it is not true, which means false. And I have to continue. First one false, second one true, and it is going complex. In this case, instead of using something like that, actually we could write much more cleaner and shorter code. So in this case, allow me to remove them all here. Okay. We say if checkbox 1 the value equal true. We have and, also or operator. And mean every condition have to be correct or true, or need at least one command to be true. In this case, we need and. So I say if checkbox 1 the value is true and checkbox 2 the value also it is true, then what's gonna happen? Message box okay, else message box no, and if. Because we have only one if, now we need only one and if. Let's try it. No, no, okay, and no. As you realize, not only my code's getting shorter, also it is much easier and cleaner. So instead of nesting 4 f's together, I just used AND operator. But how about OR operator? As I mentioned before, OR need at least one, mean you have to check at least one of these, or you could of course select both together to work. Let's try instead of AND OR operator. So because neither of those selected, it is no. If I check one of those, it is okay. Also for second one, it is okay. And of course, even both could be work. So on the AND operator, you have everything to be checked to be correct to work. But for OR operator, we need at least only one or more. As an example, on the AND operator, let's define something in real life. Saying if you want to go, for example, gym, you have to first register and you have to pay the money and go to the gym. But on the OR operator, they say if you want, for example, get certificate of our company, let's say OR, you need to pass the exams or already passed before and you could have simple audition or you could be one of our instructors. So if you already one of our instructor and you have certification, at the same time still you could get past the exam. Let's try one more with additional checkbox. I add one more and let's say paid. So this is checkbox 3. I could say also copy or checkbox 3 value. Let's try it. So because we used OR, if neither it is selected, it is no. If at least one of those it is selected, it's gonna be okay. We need at least one. You see? Even 2, it is okay, and 3, it is okay. But if neither selected, it is no. And for AND operator, of course, we have to select all at the same time. And it's gonna only work if all it is true. Checkbox 1, checkbox 2, and checkbox 3 have to be selected. So it is no, no, no. And if I select all of those, now it is okay.